Ready, hop!
Ready, hop! Stand by! Go! Go!
Ready, hop! I'm gonna go get some more.
You're a good shot. Knocked it off. Went to the right. G36.
Do all those bowling pins have...
And Bender, you want a loader?
I'm getting it in.
Uzi mag?
Got a bunch of the explosive targets.
Yeah, put 5 rounds up in there and then take the other magazine and push down with it.
Okay, go. What are you going to shoot now? Again? Okay.
Hello, I pressed the record button on accident. You can delete this.
Hello my friends, this is FPS Russia. so I read the comments from last week. I saw lots of comments asking for the Scar, so we've got one here. So this is the Scar 17, that's the big boy. This is 7.62 by 51 millimeter, a lot of power in this battle rifle. People have been asking for the prices of things. Sometimes I don't like to tell you guys because it might hurt your feelings. So this rifle, you can pick one up for about $3,000. That's pretty expensive, but keep in mind, this rifle is extremely accurate, extremely reliable, much more so than an AR platform, anything like that. And then the optic I have stuck on here, this is an Elcam. This is about $2,000. So we've got the $5,000 setup right away in this battle rifle. And I think it's going to be worth it today. We're going to shoot a few different targets, show you the power of that 308 round, maybe show you the accuracy that comes out of this thing. We're going to have a lot of fun, so let's get to it. Okay, so first things first, I got some frangible ammunition here in my Scar. Got a few concrete blocks down there. We're going to chew those things up really nicely. So you can see, you've got 7.62 millimeter power. It's very difficult to hide. So we're always trying to find new targets. This one actually came from a Twitter user, and I haven't been posting on Facebook and Twitter as much lately because I really wanted to wait until we had videos to show again, but thank you very much to those guys on social media who come up with cool targets. This is going to look nice. Alright, so I definitely like those ice blocks. That's going to look really good in the high speed and the up-close GoPro shots. I think we need bigger ice blocks though. I think I'm going to get some of those giant ice sculpture ice blocks next time. That's going to be really fun. Let's do something else. Okay, so I think this is going to be one of the cooler things we've done in high speed. I'm going to try to send a 7.62 round through all three cans there. I think those are yams down there. Let's see how this goes. I can't wait to get over there and look into the monitor. I'm really excited about how that looks. Let me know, guys, in the comments. I'm really curious how you guys are liking the high-speed stuff, and let me know what else you'd like to see shot in high speed. Okay, so we had a lot of fun today with the Scar. I'm glad I went and picked this thing up. I've been meaning to for a long time, but like I said, they're pretty expensive. Definitely glad I picked the gun up. That 7.62 round was a ton of power. The high-speed camera work was awesome. I really like seeing things in slow motion. Everything's cooler in slow motion. So thanks again to Richard Ryan. If I don't tell you guys to go there, you won't leave. So go to youtube.com/ratedrr. Big thanks to him. And big thanks to you guys for watching, rating the videos. You know how much that helps me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And as always, have a nice day.
Cut.
Hop. Hop.
Hop. Hop. Hop. Hop. Hop. Hop. Hop. Hop. Hop. Hop. Hop.